everyone. I'm Terri, and this is the Yarnjoy podcast, episode number 368. Welcome. I have some finished objects and works in progress to show you, so let's get started, and I'll show you what I worked on and what I got finished. Okay, so for my finished objects, I'll go ahead and show this first one first because I think if you're watching my Finish It Friday videos and you've seen this, you saw it last Friday, but I'll go ahead and show it on here so that way for the ones, let me go ahead and put my watch on silent because I forgot to do that. Okay, for the ones that maybe hadn't seen that, I like to always show the finished object over here on my regular videos, Yarnjoy podcast episode videos as well. So it is the unicorn kit. This was a kit that was given to me. I think maybe it looked like I don't have the box anymore, but I think it might have been a kit that was from Hobby Lobby, possibly. Somebody gifted it to me. And so I made this little unicorn. So yeah, finished that. So since I finished it, I went ahead and picked a new item, new project, which was a Star Wars figure, or another one from the Star Wars kit that I have. I did finish it. So tomorrow I will show that, and then we will be picking a new project out of my little container. Where is it? Here it is right here. So come back tomorrow and we will pick another one, and we will see what my next project will be for that. Okay, and then as far as my other finished objects, you know, I am taking part in the Jada and Stitches 2024 calendar crochet along that she's been doing, and this year it is a granny squares. Like each month is a different type of granny square, and I'm making 2 of those, so 2 for each month. So then it's supposed to be like lap gan size when it's finished. And so I did do, I'm behind, but I did do 2 more. I think the ones I did are the April, maybe the April ones. I have them right here. So let me show you. I'm doing blue, silver or gray and white, just like Dallas Cowboy colors. And so this was January square, and so I do 2 of them, and I just kind of alternate the order of the colors. So there was January's, and then I did February's, which was the 2 right here. Okay, and then March I did this one, and then I did this one. Okay, so that was March, and so this is April. Yeah, the April squares. So the April squares, well, she said you could do 2 color, more than 2 colors. You could do 3, but she was saying that it might get kind of confusing if you had a whole bunch of colors going, because you carry the yarn with you, all of the yarn with you. And so I just decided to do 2 colors. So this one I did the gray and white, and then this one I did the blue and white. Okay, so this is April. Yeah, and so I did look at the squares from May. I think it's for May, and but I haven't done them yet. But I did look at them, and I was getting ready to do them, but I hadn't started them yet. Anyway, enjoying those. I'm keeping up with all the tails and weaving them all in, so that's good. So the other finished object I have is preemie hat number 4. For the month of July. Yeah, and so I decided to do a beaver hat. It's pretty cute. I think maybe the eyes should have been closer together, but I didn't feel like, you know, taking them out and moving them over. So anyway, and I think his teeth are supposed to be closer together too. Oh well. Anyway, that's my beaver hat. This is from creamofthecropcrochet.com, and I will link the pattern and these other tutorials and things down below in the description box. So there is the beaver hat. Okay, so that makes 4 hats for July, so that's good. I finished it a couple of days ago, so I did actually finish it before August. Today's August the 1st. Okay. Let's see. I did finish the diamond painting wind chime. I got it all put together, but I haven't taken a picture of it. My husband's already got it hanging up. If you watched yesterday's video, in the Crafting with Friends video, I did show it because it was hanging behind me in the video. And so, yeah, if you want to see it, then check out yesterday's video, Crafting with Friends. I'll link it down below so you can find it. Okay, and that is, yeah, that's all my finished objects. Oh no, one more. I did the August sign. Okay, so these are the little diamond painting signs that I've been doing, and then I hang them next to my desk in the other room. And so it was already August, and I was like, oh no, I haven't done the sign yet for August. And so I just did it this morning, and it didn't take me too long to do it. But anyway, I haven't sealed it yet, so I haven't put the chain on it. But here is August, and it's got watermelon. I think that's so cute. The little gnome there, he's got a slice of watermelon, and then his hat also looks like watermelon. Anyway, so there's August, and so I'm gonna put the sealant on there. I'll try to go ahead and do that tonight, and then when it dries, then I can put the chain on and go ahead and hang it by my desk. So that is my diamond painting project for that. Okay, now let's go on to works in progress. So I did do some more work on Luigi. He still doesn't have a face. Here he is right here. But I do have all his facial features made now. I was working on the hat. I got the hat done. I do need to do the little circle with his initial, the L, that I'll put in the front of the hat, and then I will, the hair is created, you crochet it on to the back part of the hat, and because this is just stitched onto his head, it won't come off after that. And so I do need to do that. I need to do the hair, and then, yeah, the hair, and then the little circle with the L on it, and then I will put it on his head. I know right now it's big. The Mario hat was exactly like that, but it seemed like when I put the hair on it, that helped to take up some more space, and then I just kind of stitched it on where it would fit. And I think I even put a little bit of fiber fill on the inside of the hat to help keep its shape. Anyway, so I get the hat on there, and then that will determine like where to put the ears. Oh, you know what? I don't think I've crocheted the ears yet. Anyway, the ears and the nose, the mustache, the eyebrows, eyes, all that, you know. So that's why I still haven't put the face on Luigi yet, because I want to get that hat on, make sure I've got it in the right place that I want it. And then I will know where to space the eyes and stuff. Okay, so hopefully, I keep saying this, another week and it'll be finished, but I'm hoping that this week will be the week that he will be finished. Okay, and then, oh, and this is a tutorial by Greta Wings, I think is the name. Greta Wings DIY, I think. She has it in both Spanish and in English versions of it. And I will link it down below, the one that I'm using, the English version. I'll link it down below in the description box. Okay. Let's see. And then the Feel Better Friend doll. So I've been working on that just a little bit. I just started working on the head. I showed you that last week. I've got the body. And so let's see. I started working on the head right here. So that's the color of her hair, that her hair will be. I just had to start with that and then change to the skin color. I will be making a wig cap that will fit over and attach, you know, to it. But yeah, so that's going to be her head, her head. But I have a lot more to go, you know. I think this is round 15 right here. And I know I have to go to like round 23 and then start decreasing for the neck. So I have a little ways to go yet on that. But I got some work done on it. Let's see. And then the Diagonal Center Baby Blanket. This is a pattern by... well, it's Leisure Arts, but it's out of this book, Unique Baby Afghans to Crochet. It is, as you can see, it's got spots all over it. But my friend Amy picked up this for me at a thrift store, 10 cents, I think. And so the one I'm working on is this one right here. It's got this really neat diagonal design that's got the Jacob ladder loops. But I'm doing it in a... self-striping yarn, because I had seen an example that somebody had made on Ravelry of that pattern, and I loved the way she had used, I think she had used Lion Brand ice cream yarn. It's it's hooked on a hook. Anyway, I'm using this, which is ice yarn, Magic Light, I think it's called. There's no colorway. It was probably a number or something, but I don't think there was a number or anything on the wrapper. It was a 4-pack, and the 4-pack was inside a plastic bag. Well, the plastic bag had a label on it, and it just had the different colors that were listed that's used in it. That's all that was on there as far as a name. Okay, so it's a 3-weight yarn. I'm using an F hook, 3.75 millimeter. So let me show you. I got quite a bit done on it. I think the last time I showed you, which is last week, I had the center panel done, and then yeah, I think I had barely started working on the border. So there's a central panel right there. See the loops? And see, I had started this I think it's supposed to be, I think it's called some sort of a cable stitch. So I got that done, and then you do a section of granny stitches, the granny stitch, and then you do another, let's see, I've started working on it, we're here. Then you do this cable stitch. And then after you do the cable stitch, then I'm going to do another section of granny stitches. And then there's a border on the end of that, I think, right? There's two granny stitch panels right there, and then there's another cable stitch here, and then there's just a couple of rows, 2 or 3 rows again of the granny stitch. But anyway, I'm really loving the way the colors are all coming out. Teddy's back behind me. I want to make sure I don't step on him. But let me hold it. Look how the coloring is coming out on that. I really like the way it's working up. It's just so pretty. It's just going to be so pretty. I'm really liking it. Look at those colors. Anyway, I'm so happy with this pattern. Thank you so much, Amy, for getting me this, picking up this booklet for me, because it's such a cool pattern. I'm really enjoying it. Now, I think the pattern, the booklet, is out of print. I think maybe I've seen it on eBay. You might be able to catch it. But I did find it on the Leisure Arts website, just this individual pattern. And I think it was like $5.99 or something like that. And it's a digital pattern. And I will link that down below in the description box if you are interested. But I think it's such a cool pattern, and I love the way that self-striping is working up. That is all my works in progress. So let's go on to upcoming. So as you know, I've been making the Under the Sea crochet along. That is a crochet along that Sarah Zimmerman of Repeat Crafter Me is working on, or doing. Well, I just checked, and since today's August the 1st, she just came out with the next square. And it's the Yellow Submarine square. I was thinking that's what it was going to be. And I looked at it I went ahead and looked at it on the website. It's going to be so cute. Yeah. And so I will get started working on that. Yeah, I've already got the background square made for it. And so I will get started on that square. I didn't take a screenshot, but I'll go ahead while I'm editing, when I'm doing the editing, and I'll take a screenshot of this new square, which is the Yellow Submarine square. So I will insert it right here so you can see it. It's so cute. Look at that. That's going to be really cute. And as you can see, besides the submarine, she's got some type of greenery, like seaweed or something that she did at the bottom of the square. I'm not sure I'm going to do that. I might do that. But I'm definitely, of course, will do the submarine. Anyway, yeah. So that's going to be next up on my hook soon. And then another thing upcoming, of course, is now that it's August, I will be doing 4 more preemie hats for the Halloween hat drive that I do every year. And so I will need to work on getting the next 4 hats done. I need to pick out some to make. Also in August, I had mentioned last week that I wanted to make some backpack buddies and things. So then, if for the next few weeks, make up some, and so then I can send them to Amber of Ooh Ah Crochet. She will be collecting them for her kids' elementary school. And so I want to be doing that. I do that every year also. So I'm going to be, I'll look and see how many small items I have, and then I will be making some, during the next few weeks to send to her. Okay, and then of course today is Thursday, tomorrow is Finish It Friday, episode number 5, I believe. And so I do, like I said, mentioned earlier in the video, I do have a finish up project for that. And so I will be picking the next project tomorrow. So make sure you check out that video and see what project I pick for that. And then let's see, is that all? I think so. Oh, I did want to say that since I finished this little diamond painting project, and I also finished the wind chime project finally, I wanted to go ahead, and I was looking through my diamond painting projects that I've gotten from different companies and things. I forget what I've got. And so I was kind of looking through them and organizing them a little bit earlier. And so I remembered I had gotten this one. This one is like a tabletop thing where it stands up on its own. And so I was collecting a few to do for different seasons. And I was thinking this would be a cute thing to work on next, to have it in there behind my desk for my Crafting with Friends videos so that people can see it, kind of a decor. And so I decided to do this one. I thought it would be cute for fall. It's a squirrel. Isn't that cute? And so I will be working on this one next, I think. So it has a stand that it will stand up. And I just think that's so cute. I love all those swirls. And so I think this one's going to be really fun to work on. So I think I'm going to start this one next. Okay, so that is part of upcoming. Hopefully I won't have an avalanche here. Okay, I think that is it. Oh, I do want to mention, I have a lot of writing on my shirt. I don't know if you can see all of it. I'll back up so you can see it. But I know when people have writing on their t-shirts and videos, I always try to see, well, what's the shirt say? And so let me back up so you can see. Okay, right here. It says, I have 2 titles, Mom and Mimi. I don't know if you can see that, but Mom and Mimi. Anyway, and it says, and I rock them both. I have 2 titles, Mom and Mimi, and I rock them both. That's what it says. I got it from Temu. I thought it was cute, especially since it says Mimi on it, and so I had to get it. Okay, now that's it. Yeah. So tomorrow's my older son's birthday, so everybody wish him a happy birthday tomorrow. He's going to be 34. I can't believe I have a baby that's that old. I mean, he'll always be my baby. Both of them, both the boys. Anyway, so happy birthday to him tomorrow. He's already back at school. He's an art teacher in one of the area high schools. And so he's already back at school working on his room. I think he's painting and doing some new decor and things in there, getting ready for when the students come back. I think maybe next week, Anyway, so I think that's it. Teddy's getting restless. I think he's wanting out, so I'm going to go. Everybody have a wonderful week, or, well, the end of the week. Today's Thursday. Have a wonderful weekend, this upcoming. But come back tomorrow, and we will do Finish It Friday and find out what the next project I will be working on for that. Okay, have a wonderful evening. We'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.